That's level. Make sure it's okay. Put this on the ground. Make sure this level.
16 years old,
Let me see. Dead in the middle. Yep. That's good work. Yep. So you understand that. So use this one and kick it into here. Okay. So what are you going to do when you kick it? All you have to do is put your bender. All you have to do is put your bender right here and kick it up. And just making sure this is level. But you're going to measure from the floor. If you measure from the floor to the bottom, which is 7 1/8, then when you kick it up, you're going to kick it up till it gets up to 7 1/8 for the bottom. Now, if you measure the top, which is 8 inches, then you make sure you measure the top of your conduit, which is 8 inches. That makes sense? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, let's say 8 inches. All I usually do, I go back 16. You can go back 16 and then kick it up. The reason I tell you guys to double is it's easier to remember, and you can it's a better radius.
Instead of 7 1/8.
You can do either one you want. You just measure from the top or the bottom. Now you can go I said double it up to 16. You can even go up to 12. It'd just be a deeper bend. But to always, if you at work and you don't know what to bend it at, with your kick, I'll always say, act like you're doing a 30 degrees, you know, double it up. If that's 8 inches, I'll go back 16, bend it, and it'd be a perfect radius. But if you do it at 12, it'd just be more of a bend right here. You wouldn't go wrong. But you can't bend it at 8. Say I want an 8-inch kick and bend it at 8 inches. That's going to be like a 90. That makes sense? Mm-hmm. Okay. So go ahead and put your bender, mark it wherever you're going to mark it, 12 or 16 inches, and kick it up till that it gets to there. Right? Yeah, put a connector on it. Okay. That's the kick. See if it's level.
Is it on the straight?
Mm-hmm. Let me see. Stand on.
Like this.
Let me see. Let me see. Is this straight right here? Is that level?
No. Level is like this.
Oh, yeah, you can tighten that up. That's it right there. Let me see. Yeah. Because if you tighten it up, it's not going where. This is not tight. Remember, everything you want to do, once you got it level, tighten that baby up. I wouldn't mess with this. Look at everything else look good. On the floor, right there, you tighten it up. Once you have your level, tighten it up once you get in. Or it will play with you. Watch this. I let it go. See what I'm saying? So you got to tighten it up.